Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. So here you can see it when you try to add some story on your Instagram and you just receive error. So how you can fix it? So first thing you need to know that also you need to check your internet connection. So first thing, just go to the settings, and in the settings if you're using Wi-Fi, just check your Wi-Fi. Also you can try to restore your Wi-Fi router, just turn off and turn on your Wi-Fi network. Also you can do it with your mobile data, just turn off and turn on again. And if you still have the server, so just go to the general, in the general just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a few seconds and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. And if it doesn't help you, you need to try to log in into another from another device to your account and just try to post from this account. And if it doesn't help you, just try to remove your app and just install again. So just tap on Instagram app, just tap on remove app. So after, just go to App Store, just go to search tab, and in search tab just write Instagram. So if you see here, you will see here not open but get, just tap on get and it will successfully download and install Instagram on your iPhone. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.